In today's digital world, privacy matters more than ever. Let's explore how to hide your following list on Twitter. First, log into your Twitter account. Make sure you're using the desktop version for easy navigation. Next, click on More in the left-hand menu. This will open up additional options for your account settings. Now, select Settings and Privacy. This section holds the key to managing your account's visibility. Then, navigate to the Privacy and Safety tab. Here, you can adjust who can see your information. Finally, choose Protect Your Tweets. This action restricts your followers and hides your following list from others. By protecting your tweets, you can enjoy a more private Twitter experience. Engagement will be within your trusted circle. Remember, privacy settings can always be adjusted if you change your mind later. Stay informed about your digital footprint and control who sees your online activity. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on online privacy.